Joe Augustinelli, social media manager at Greenway Health. We're back here at Engage 2018, almost ready to get the afternoon sessions underway. And one of the sessions will be with Chief Information Security Officer Larry Whiteside of Greenway Health, who will be discussing data security in the healthcare sector. Larry, thanks for joining me for this edition of Facebook Live. And why don't you just preview your session a little bit? Is data security a hot topic in the healthcare industry?
It is. And in this session, the goal is to give some statistics and some background as to why healthcare is the target that it is, and then hopefully give people some tips that they can take away, right, and take back to their practice to help secure their own environments, because it's really a collective effort that's going to help us all.
And we actually talked about this on a recent Greenway Health podcast, putting possibility into practice. But data security in the healthcare industry, an emerging trend and new threats every day. And how do providers stay on the forefront of that?
It's really, we help them, right? That's part of the goal is as a provider, we want to help them. But it's also, they've just got to read, right? There are certain things, there's some basic things they can do if they just take a few minutes a day to read about things that are happening. There's some very basic setups and configurations they can have inside their environments that will actually help thwart a large percentage of the things that they would deal with.
And what are you hoping that providers take out of today's presentation that are in attendance?
I'm really hoping that they see this presentation as sort of a little bit of a self-help guide, right? Some very basic things that they can do. We're not trying to get them to spend large amounts of money that they can't afford, right, to take out of their practice. Just some very basic changes that they can make, both administratively and physically in their offices.
Larry, thanks for joining me. I'll let you get to final preps for your presentation, and we'll have a live look-in on your presentation a little later on.
Great. Thanks. Appreciate it.
Larry Whiteside, the Chief Information Security Officer at Greenway Health, taking time to join me on Facebook Live, and we will have some live updates from his presentation and a couple of the other presentations throughout the afternoon on our Facebook channel and across our social media networks. But for now, I'm Joe Augustinelli, Social Media Manager here at Greenway Health.